Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the 7 Series key fob. There's two different styles. This one has comfort access. You can see the little panel right here, and this one does not have comfort access. If you have this one, thank your lucky stars. If you don't, click this little button right here, and that'll show you how to replace the battery in this one. So for the ones that do have comfort access, here's what you need. First, you need a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few bucks. And there's a link below in the description. And then you just need a flat blade screwdriver, or if your nails are strong enough, you can use your nails. So first thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. So press this button and pull your mechanical key out. Then take your screwdriver right in this little hatch right here. Pop that out. Okay, and you can just push. You can just push right here, and that'll bring your battery out. Take your old battery out and put your new battery in. Place it in like so. Squeeze this together. Put your mechanical key back in. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.